First thing I got from the Sami Dresses was this oval shaped brush. Now obviously in pictures everything looks bigger, so but I am very happy with the product. Like, just see how soft the bristles are. It's so densely packed, and it goes like a dream. I also had a beauty blender from BH Cosmetics, but I frankly stopped using it because it's so good. It just goes like, and so like after you'll don't find anything on the brush. It's so good. I'm now looking forward to buy the whole set, or maybe another 2 brushes with the big ones. The next thing I got from Sami Dresses, which I will show you, is this super slim type face cleaning makeup cotton pads, cosmetic cottons. So what I thought was like maybe they were like wipes, but I was mistaken. They are basically cotton pads, like the cotton balls that you buy, but I'll say they are much better than the cotton balls, at least the ones we get here. So as I was saying that these cotton pads, like this are small, but they are really good. They like one pad is enough to take up the makeup from your whole face, and as you can see, it's got quite a big face. And I tried to use them with my nail polish remover, and they are really good. So they have one box had 100 cotton sheets, and it cost me around $2, $163, and I ordered 2, so I'm hoping this will last me quite a long time. I also ordered a hat from there, so which I'm not going to, no point of showing that. The next is Born Pretty Store. So Born Pretty Store, as I told you, it's basically known for their nail art supplies. So first thing I got was the stamping plates. Now by mistake I ordered 2 stamping plates of same design. God knows why. I think I did it by mistake. So tip number 4 or 5: check your order again and again before you click that submit button, because once the product is submitted, it's very hard to change back. So this is the first stamping plate. I have not yet used it. It's a BP02, if you can see it. It's a nice lace designs. I actually didn't do it because I don't have a stamping polish. I tried to do with the local polish, and it's like you need stamping polishes. Okay, this one, as I can see from it, I really tried using. This is BP13. It does little cute things, like this rain and the sunshine, and this design. Okay, what's the third thing? This is my favorite. This is one I ordered by 2 by mistake. This is BP 33. This is a sailor theme. As you can see, this is going on my nails in October. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, this 2 extra. As I told you, I ordered the same thing 2, and I think they give me 1 extra. The next thing I ordered are these Fimo sticks. Okay, let me tell you the prices. The plates, they were priced $2.98, about 2 for $2.98. So I'm guessing about $1 a little more per plate. Yeah, $1.49, like $1.50 each. Okay, so these are the Fimo sticks that I got. Most of them are fruity things. And now I have lots of Fimo sticks. I got another bunch of cut Fimo sticks somewhere, I think on eBay. So this was 99, less than $1. The next thing I got was this brush set, and I love it. It's like special. I love this big one. I have never really good with painting and things, but I can use them. They are really good. See. This is my favorite so far. Oh God. Just a minute. So this was, how much was this? This was where is this one? This was 288. This was 288. Okay, and I got some nail patterns which I kind of have destroyed already while trying to do it. Like I am a newbie or a novice, as you can see. So most of them I've tried and destroyed, but this is my favorite. And I also got a water decal. These were 137 each. And there was this water decal. Again, I've used some and destroyed it. I couldn't keep it. Like I put in the the top coat and it just came out. I need to practice more practices. So lastly, obviously the stamper. This is the stamper, cute small one. And this is a scrapper. The stamper and scrapper was 139. I want to buy next time. I'm going to buy the clear jelly ones. They're really good to look at. I also ordered drop shipping. I didn't know what drop shipping was. I thought maybe there's something very. Then I learned more that the drop shipping is nothing but like they don't have the name of Born Pretty store on their package. So, for example, if I was doing some business and I take the order from here and order them to Born Pretty store and they send to the customer will think it came from me, not from Born Pretty store. So that's all for Born Pretty store.